Our totals loop works now. So we can copy paste this loop below and make a details loop. Change the description and the name first, and then let's adjust the function. First, we can delete the get data segmentation part, since we do not need to segment for the details section. We just extract data per each campaign. Also, we should change all function and variable names that end in totals to details. Then in the transformation part, we do not need to append the segmented data anymore. So we can put the cleaning of the data on one line. Further down, we merge the data frames with an outer join. This means that each week can have different numbers of campaigns, and all of those campaigns in that week will always be added to the specific column. We do the same thing in the else statement. Delete the segmentation part in the extract and transform section, and then again in the while statement. Lastly, also add the join type outer to the merge function. Don't forget the comma after the outer string at both places, otherwise you will get an error. Let's test our details function. First, we need to get the previous data from our details worksheet, so adjust the variable names and the worksheet we are extracting data from. Then run the cell and check the output. As before, we get none as previous data and 6 August 2017 as the DT date. Now test the details loop function, which should work perfectly fine.